The Agriculture Department has downplayed a recent study claiming that pigs are susceptible to COVID-19. Meanwhile, traders are warning that pork prices could hike this Christmas season due to limited supply. Shaila Francisco tells us more.
A recent study done by researchers from the US and Canada claims that pigs can be infected with COVID-19. In a non-peer-reviewed paper published last week, the study shows that SARS-CoV-2 can persist at least 13 days after being shot to pig. Of the 16 pigs shot with the virus, 5 displayed low levels of infection, while only 1 had clinical signs. Still, the study highlighted that no cases of livestock got COVID-19 through natural infection to date. The Bureau of Animal Industry assured the public there's no need to worry.
Hindi po talagang ganyan ang transmission ng virus sa ating natural world. So yan po ay sinadya po yan. Hindi po yan report galing sa actual na nagsaling yung baboy ng COVID sa tao. So hindi po dapat mag-alala yung mga kababayan po natin na nakabasa o nakarinig ng balita natin.
Still, the agency is still on the lookout for developments in other countries to prevent the possible transmission of COVID-19 in animals in such cases. The Agriculture Department recently lifted the ban on the importation of mechanically deboned chicken meat from Brazil. This comes weeks after the government imposed a blanket ban on the imports of poultry products after China reported in August that the frozen wings they imported from the South American country tested positive for COVID-19. The DA also reiterated its ban on pig and pork products from Germany after its recently confirmed first case of African swine fever. Similarly, there's also a ban on pork imports from Belgium and poultry products from Australia. But for Meat Traders and Importers Association, there's no need to impose a countrywide ban on meat suppliers. Hence, they are urging the government to stop with the ban or limit it to areas affected by various diseases.
So we should not make the problem worse by imposing unnecessary bans that are not based on science. We are all concerned about the health and welfare of our consumers, but you know, if they don't have enough to eat, they have nothing affordable to purchase, then that also affects their health and welfare.
The group added the Philippines is already short of local pork inventory due to ASF. Imported supply may follow suit due to limited production worldwide caused by the pandemic. This could even go worse if China sources pork from countries where the Philippines are currently importing. Local traders also warned that they may have no choice but to hike the price of pork products since they cannot match the prices China is willing to pay. And with the holidays just months away, prices of meat are expected to increase even more.
Sana po para masaya ang Christmas nila. Kasi expect namin itong December, mas tataas pa kasi wala na raw baboy. Karamihan sa baboy namin tawid dagat kasi wala na makuha sa norte.
The traders group has now submitted a letter requesting the DA to lift or limit the ban. The DA has yet to read the letter, but vowed that they will study the proposal. The agency adds that affected countries can also provide evidence to reverse their order of blanket ban. Shaila Francisco, VR1 News.